Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on quickly today to share with you some Hobby Lobby finds. I went into Hobby Lobby yesterday afternoon. I literally went into Hobby Lobby to get some of this for packaging up my Valentine's Day goodies. And I was like, well, let me just check the clearance and see what's on clearance, because I always like to browse the clearance section. And to my surprise, they had so many things marked down. So huge clearance going on at Hobby Lobby, and I wanted to share with you what I picked up. All right, so I'll share with you the clearance items first, and then I'll share with you a few other little things that I picked up as well. As you can see, I did pick up this shred for my packaging, and then I picked up so many dies that were on clearance. I picked up this cute one right here, and I'm sorry for the glare, and it was $2.50, and it's Minnie Mouse, and it's super cute. So I've actually have bought this one before and gifted it to a friend, but adorable. So I picked that one up. I picked up this one right here, and sorry for that glare again. That was $2.50. And I thought that was super cute. I like that arrow right there. I picked up this set, and it was $2.75, and it has an embossing folder, and then it has the word smile, and it says it's your birthday, and then it has all these little tiny emoji faces that you can die cut out and create a shaker card. So I thought that was really cute. So this is the back, so you can have an idea of what it looks like. Pull it up. Super, super cute. So pick that one up. I also picked up this one right here, and I've been wanting this die for a while, and it was only $5. So I thought that was a great price. It creates this really cute easel stand. It could be used in many different ways. I mean, obviously this is like a teacher themed one, but I was, I had several ideas. Like if you're having a party, you could put like a chalkboard paper on there and write like what the food is, or even for a baby shower. Just, I have a lot of ideas for this die, so I was happy to pick this one up. And there's 16 dies in this set, so I always like getting these dies. I picked up this one right here, and again, that horrible glare. It was $3.25, and it's a Christmas tree, and it says, and then there's a die that says holiday cheer, and I really liked that die. This is what the set looks like, and it creates that dimensional Christmas tree. And then there's the words and little presents and stars, and looks like some tiny bows. So really, really cute die right there. I'm sorry for that glare, you guys. I picked up this one right here, and it says Amor, and it was $1.75, and I thought that was really pretty, and a good size, great price. I also picked up this paper. It was only $2, and it's shimmer paper, and I thought, why not for $2? And I had opened it up to see what it looks like. I'll show you. Just kind of do a quick flip through about it's colored on both sides, and it's really, really pretty. There's black, and then that really pretty blue, and then there's a darker pink. So for $2, yes please, pick that one up. And then I was really happy to find this. This was only $2.50, and these are cutting plates, or cutting pads, for the long thin lit dies that Sizzix makes, and I needed a new pair. I was in desperate need of a new pair of cutting pads, and so for $2.50 I picked that up. So I thought that was a really great find too. And then the last thing that I got on clearance was this paper right here, and it was $3.25, and it's paper leather sheets, and it comes in black, and then the craft, and then white. And I can open it up and share with you what it looks like. It's definitely, it looks like regular paper, but it says it's leather. It does have a different texture to it, and I've never tried it before, so I said, why not? For $3, I'm gonna try this paper out. So I picked that up, and then I did go into the Valentine's Day section in Hobby Lobby. Everything was 40% off this week for Valentine's Day stuff, so I picked up some more of these flat back hearts, which I think are really, really pretty. I picked up these mini bows, and then I was able to pick up these embellishments right here that I've been using on my rosettes. I couldn't find any more at the store, the Hobby Lobby that I normally go to, so I was happy to go to a different Hobby Lobby and pick some more of these up because they're really cute embellishments. I picked up some heart stickers. I thought those are really cute with the bling on them. And then I picked up this one right here. And I just like those like kind of like iridescent, shiny, they're like really sparkly stickers. And then I did pick up this little Valentine's Day paper sack set. And what I liked about it is it doesn't necessarily scream Valentine's Day, so I don't necessarily have to use it for Valentine's Day if I didn't want to. Could just use it in like a rack or something. So wanted to pick that up, and it was 40% off. So I thought that was super cute. All right, so that is my share for you today. Hope you run to Hobby Lobby and find some great deals. They had so many dies on clearance that I didn't pick up that I saw, but so yeah, just wanted to let you know about the sale. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.